Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today's video how to speed your PC with 5 simple steps. First, we need to go to start, click search for run, and I'm gonna make it here pinned to taskbar because I'm gonna use it for a few times. You don't have to do this step. Click run and then type tmp, enter, and continue. Then you're gonna have to delete whatever files that you have here. Control A, Shift delete, and then delete everything there. Do this for all current items. Continue. Escape for the things that you can delete, and that's it. Now you're gonna start to run again and type 100% temp, 100% symbol. And now also you need to delete all files here. Same steps. And now we're gonna go to run again and just type prefetch. So you should be administrator to do all this stuff. And now delete all these files here. The second step is to download an application called CCleaner. So you just go to your internet browser and type CCleaner and then download. And download free version. Download the free download. So we just have this application installed on our PC. We just gonna decline this. I don't want to install because I already have it. I don't want it. Start CCleaner, and we can go to system clean. Actually here you can clean a lot of stuff, so I'm just gonna teach you the things that you really need. To the registry, scan for issues, and it's gonna find a bunch of issues, and these kind of issues you need really to fix them. You can make these steps, the first step and second step, let's say every week, every 2 weeks, to maintain your computer speed is very good, to keep it very good. Now view selected issues, and he's asking for backup. We don't have to, and fix all selected items. It's gonna be fixed. It's really gonna be hard. Like it's really gonna make a huge difference. It's not really that much hard. So now we can go to tools and startup. This is the step number 4, and here we can stop the services that we don't really want to use. For example, like you can stop whatever service you have as long as it's not like security or driver service. So for example, now I can stop let's say like OneDrive because I'm not using it at all. I can just make disable here. And if you have some services, for example like Adobe PDF reader or whatever, you have services here or applications that really work when PC starts up, you really better to turn it off. For example, if you have Microsoft Teams but you're not using Microsoft Teams at all, it drains a lot of memory from your CPU, from your it drains a lot of memory from your RAM. That's why it's better just to turn it off. That's it. This is the step number 4. And step number 5, which is the last thing, you need to go here and go to this defragment here, defragment and optimize drives. And here is going to be whatever kind of hard drive you have, HDD or SSD. You need to select both and then click optimize all. And for example, here I have just CD. DVD drive is not really necessary, so I'm gonna just choose C, and that's it. Now start to really optimizing, and here you can make this by schedule, by make it weekly, and this is by default by Windows 11, but also you can change it. So here's gonna work. Say select all, and that's it. Now after completing this, the defragment, the computer is going to be faster. The last step is to go to start and advanced, type there advanced system settings, and actually you need just to go to settings here on the performance, go to settings and adjust for best performance. That's it. This is how I guarantee for you your computer is going to be so much fast. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and make a like to the video. Thanks for watching.